are doing a
AliExpress revamp.
Yeah, a revamp. That's exactly what this is.
I think that's what we should brand it as. So we have seen a few videos on YouTube of people doing some flips.
Yes, looking at you best dressed. Your videos are
an inspiration to us.
Oh, totally.
Tiasha bought these 2 dresses on AliExpress.
This video is a long time coming. This was supposed to be our second video ever, which means it should have been done in like October last year. I ordered these dresses, not for the video, just for myself. I wanted some nice dresses for summer. And I just, if you guys know us, you know we're a fan of the plain schmuck.
I love a schmuck.
We love a schmuck.
We love a schmuck.
And so I ordered these dresses because they're plain and they're oversized and they're cute. And sometimes AliExpress can be a little...
I wouldn't say that they're not what you ordered.
They just look a lot better on the model on the website than they do on a person.
They are just absolute sacks.
They look like hospital gowns.
They look like hospital gowns.
Cut to us. This is what they look like on us right at this point in time.
So they're not a disaster.
I think they are. You could never wear that out. But
they are a blank canvas for us to work with.
Yeah.
They have nothing but potential.
Exactly. Because they're totally plain, let's try and make it, put a bit of personality in them, do a little bit of snip snip, a little bit of glue glue, a little bit of so-so, and let's see how we do.
Yay. We have delegated Tiasha to have the maroon.
Yes.
And me to have the beautiful, it's the perfect pink. Let's just start me off by saying that.
These are the colors I went with. I'm claiming this one because I like the way this color looks on my skin. Millie's claiming that one because obviously she owns pink.
Copyright, sorry about it.
TM, baby.
It's mine now.
Millie has so they look similar, but they're slightly different designs. Mine already has like a waist. It's got darts and a little cinched waist.
So hers is already
really
like,
lucky.
The job is done for you, you're fine.
Yours is truly a sack.
Nothing but
fabric.
But it has pockets!
Yeah, it's cute. Oh, yours has pockets?
Mine has pockets!
So let's get started. Enjoy this journey and we'll see you at the other end. Okay, so you bought that and you bought that, right?
Where is your stuff?
Yeah, I don't recall buying anything. Okay, I need to go to the shop. Whoops. Okay, I think I want to get I want to color match this with a ribbon, and I'm going to use a ribbon to line a lot of stuff, like the hems and stuff. So we're going to quickly go to the fabric store, which is just down the road. Let's go.
Look at me go.
Queen.
She looks good. She looks good. Guys, this is the most comfortable dress I've ever worn. It breathes like a dream. I wouldn't change a thing. It's really comfy and feels nice. I look a mess, but it's nice.
Guys, our fabric store's right next to a bubble tea place.
I'm getting bubble tea.
We're getting bubble tea on the way back.
Yeah, I'm getting bubble tea.
We love a bubble tea. And here we are, Fabric City, baby. And look at this glorious place.
Maybe.
Look at it, it's stunning.
Oh, I love that. Do you love that?
That's really pretty.
You love this?
Definitely do something with that. Hi, princess. This is the owner of this Fabric City. So beautiful. Hey, princess.
Same dress.
Millie and princess are matching. Princess is showing us out of the shop. Look how regal she is, just watching out for customers. Absolutely stunning. Oh, God. Wow. So we got distracted.
We went to get fabric, now I got bubble tea.
Taro with pearls for me.
Brown sugar, no pearls, for me. So I'm just pinning where I want to cut. I'm leaving it a bit longer so that I can hem it. Just above the knee is what I want. So I think I'm just gonna like nip it and just kind of cut it there and then neaten it up.
Nice.
It's gonna be a while. I'm the queen of accidentally making dresses that are too short. There she is.
Cute.
She already looks better.
She looks like a t-shirt. No, she's perfect.
She's perfect, okay.
You're perfect.
Yeah. So we went to the fabric store and I saw this out of the corner of my eye and I thought, it's perfect. So I've changed my idea completely. And basically I want it to look like, I'm gonna overlay this and have that be the hem. And just, yeah, on the front of it, cut around the sleeves and then hand stitch this beautiful material onto it. Isn't it pretty? Bloody stunning. So now I'm gonna stitch this on, hand stitched, with a little help from Tiasha because I've never done that before. It's gonna be good.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold over the lace and then pretty much hand stitch it into the seams along the side.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna leave the bottom
Untouched.
Untouched because
I need to hem the bottom as well.
Yeah. Nice job.
I'm like almost done.
Nice. I don't know whether to take off the thing or not.
The sleeves?
I really kind of want to.
The sleeves?
But I also like the sleeves.
I reckon take them off.
Do you reckon?
I think you'll wear it more if you take it off.
I love the sleeves, but I also want to see what it looks like without them. So I'm gonna just unpick the sleeves from the inside and they should just fall off and then I can shape it. So let's see how we go. So I just realized that the two seams have been overlocked together, which means that even if I unpick it, it's still stuck together. So I'm gonna have to just cut. I'm gonna have to cut! No! No! I'm trying to go for like tighter neckline. I'm not explaining myself very well. So I think what I'm gonna do is just frickin' go for it. Woo! And then just kind of chop that. We are not professionals by any means.
We never claimed that this time. This time we are guilt-free.
What's going on, Millie?
I'm doing the most laborious task of them all. And it's pinning it all the way around so that I can sew it and it'll look invisible and amazing. But so far it's looking really, really good and I have high expectations. So I'm doing that. I'm just going to be pinning and hemming all the way around till it looks perfect and flawless. And then I'm going to hand sew it and it's going to look incredible. I'm just pretty impatient as a craftsman, so that'll be my issue. That's what I'm working on for the moment. Mentally and physically.
You chose the most finicky thing to do.
I know.
Someone who's so impatient.
I'm so impatient.
So I'm using the ribbon to do like some piping around the sleeves and maybe the neckline and maybe the hem, and then we'll see where to go from there. But I'm so lucky when I bought this ribbon, it's already done the hard work for me, which means that it's been ironed to have the two sides already done. So what that means for me is that all I need to do is pin it like that, and so when it folds over on itself, it'll look like that all the way around, which is really pretty. So guys, I thought my dress was really, really plain. So what I've done is I've drawn 3 little hearts on the front. And I'm gonna try do cutouts with them. I've never done cutouts before, so we'll see how this goes. But I think it'll look really cute. It'll be the final touch on a simple dress. Okay, first cutout done, as you can see. So, far out. I'm really nervous about this bit. What I'm planning to do is, because obviously it'll fray just like that, I want to go on here and pick like a tight zigzag and kind of go on the edge of that with the zigzag, but I don't know what's going to happen to this little fragile bit in the middle. Actually, change of plan. I'm gonna go with this guy because I just did some testing and he looks really cute. So guys, I tried something new. It failed horrifically. I now have a huge hole in my dress. It looks terrible. Oh god. Okay. I'm just trying to figure out what to do. I think I'll put a patch to cover the hole, obviously. And then I'm thinking maybe I won't do cutouts, but I'll just like use the machine to embroider over the hearts that I've drawn on. Oh yeah, I'm so sorry. Change of plan again. I'm just putting patches on because I've ruined my dress. Look what I did to it. What? What?
1 week later.
Hey guys. So
Hey! Okay, so we're in the park, like around the corner from our house, and there's heaps of people on the basketball courts. So we've just snuck into the corner, and we're gonna take some like embarrassing
like
fashion
photo
shots.
shoot of our new dresses.
Yeah.
So we're gonna show you
What we did.
the
You
result.
can kind of see, and you kind of followed our story. But how did you go overall? You think?
I mean, I smashed out like today, but I'm really happy with the result. I think it's a really cute dress, and I think that there was a transformation.
You look stunning.
I love this dress.
I love the dress too, and I think you could totally wear that out.
I'm gonna wear it.
With pride. And you know what? Overall, 100 times better than what we ordered.
Agreed.
So that's a win in itself.
Agreed. So what I did to my dress was basically I found this beautiful material and I just kind of cut along the front and sewed it on by hand. My favorite part is actually the sleeves, where I took the excess from the bottom and kind of just did a little cuffs on each sleeve, and it looks really cute. And I'm super happy with how it turned out. So I've paired this outfit with a scrunchie, just a plain pink furry scrunchie. I think it adds a bit of flair to every outfit. I wore my pink combat boots. I think they go well with a little pretty dress. It's very Princess Diaries chic. I love this outfit because it's full pink all day, every day.
So guys, I used some like kind of dusty pink ribbon to like pretty much pipe the bottom of the dress and the two sleeves. Then I also did the top part, but then I ended up not flipping that over and just leaving it because it looks cool thick. And then you guys saw what I did to my dress. I ruined it. So I covered that with cute little patches that I borrowed from Millie. Thank you very much, Millie. But you know what? It ended up looking really cute. I actually really like it. I feel like strawberry shortcake, and I think I love that. But to me, by the end of the week, the dress looked still really plain, and I was missing the fact that it had pockets. I was really jealous that Millie's one did. So I ended up making pockets myself. So overall, really happy with it. Very comfortable, cute length, and I think that
You look sick!
we look amazing.
You look good.
Yes!
This is a nightmare. This is a nightmare. It's a nightmare. I almost broke my ankle. I almost broke my wrist.
I fit. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed our video.
Thank you guys for watching.
And if you haven't already, please follow us on Instagram. It's at Marshmallow Gals, GALS.
And subscribe to this YouTube.
Yes.
If you aren't already.
Ring the ding, the notification bell. And until then,
Keep it cute.
keep it sweet.
You guys are really awesome.
Oh, perfect.